Alright, you guys, YouTube saw it first. Stage 2 of the Ranger is done. Y'all check it out. Pretty cool. This is a 2025 Ranger 1000 non-XP. We did a Superatv long travel kit on it, Keller ball joints. And then we threw some Method 15x10 polished wheels on it, 35 1015 Tensor tires. I don't know, I was just kind of going for a different look. Everybody's always doing the same shit. Try to do my own thing. So yeah, check it out. Tell me what y'all think. I'm not done with it yet. Went ahead and did some DRT mirrors, Baja Sport lights. Those are welded into the cage. Well, the bungs are welded. Superatv half tinted window. And then for this weekend, we went ahead and slapped the Rockford Fosgate roof on it. Had to have some audio. I had a box inside for a underseat sub. I think it's a 10-inch L7 sub from ST Mobile. It's supposed to go under here, but on the non-XP models, you don't really get a storage compartment. Got a battery there and a seat. Oh crap. So yeah, this is done for now. We're going to Arkansas this weekend, see how it does. Hopefully we don't roll it over. Good thing we're insured. It's also got the Corbin custom work signal light kit on it. We got the little round lights up front, and then the back uses the tail lights, license plate light. This is an old license plate. I just kind of slap it on there so you know the popo don't tell me nothing when I'm rolling down the street. Been driving this thing to and from work, pretty smooth. What else did I forget? Oh, frame stiffeners, front and rear frame stiffeners. God, who greased that one? Jesus Christ, look at that big old glob. But yeah, this is like stage 1. Maybe I think I said stage 1 was just the long travel wheels and tires. Now I did the roof and the 2 mirrors, so we're not done yet. I'm gonna keep pimping this thing out. Cheapest bike, most expensive accessories I think I've ever done. Everything that's on it is basically worth more than the machine. I picked it up for like 12 grand at Antlers Motorsports. So other than that, let's get them loaded on the trailer. We got 2 4-wheelers over there. We got the wife's Turbo R. She says it's hers. And yeah, we'll see you guys in Arkansas. You guys follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I post way more on there. It's kind of what I do. It's a little bit easier. So let's get all these bikes in the parking lot put up for Fuji to work on tomorrow, and we're gonna go have some fun. He should have fixed his razor instead of getting a tattoo. You guys tell him I said that. Thanks for watching.